Hi and welcome to the channel. Today I'm putting in some Niwot black raspberries. I did have strawberries here earlier this year. I got these in the mail as tiny little plugs and potted them in 8-inch pots and raised them on the patio until they were this big. And I figured by that time my strawberries will be done. I can rip them out and plant these there. And that's exactly what we've done. I was growing Camino Real strawberries, plastic culture, and I tore all that up today and dug the ground up by hand with a shovel and put the plants in every 3 feet, and the drip line was already there from the strawberries, and I just top dressed it with a little little compost on top. And now I'm gonna mulch it. After I water it, I'm gonna water it in real good. And these are a fall bearing black raspberry, or an ever bearing, whatever you want to call them. You'll get a crop the first year in the fall, and then you tip them off and you can get another spring crop the following year on the same cane, and will die out. Here's the other row I put in over here. I got these at where did I get these from? Pence Nurseries Inc. I think I bought these from. They always have some nice stuff. So this is what it looks like once I mulch it. And you can see over here I got a few other raspberries and blackberries. I don't know how many rows I have. There's a few. There's some new stuff. I rescued these from a nursery. These are Glencoe's. They're all leggy, but I got a good deal on them, so I took 16 of them home, and I'm gonna put these in. This is a purple raspberry, thornless. So I got them between my purple raspberries, a cross between a red and a black, and that's what I have in the middle. You know, they say don't plant them side by side, reds and blacks, because of diseases and whatnot. But if you take care of your stuff, you're not going to have any diseases. And as you can see, I take care of my crops. All right, the last two additions. 2 short rows of Niwot black raspberry. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this.